Good morning, students. Now, chapter number first to last part. Here the branches of geography. Before it, we studied about the branches of geography based on the systematic approach. Two branches: physical geography and human geography. Now here branches of the geography based on regional approach. Based on regional approach. The father of the regional geography name is Collitter, and the father of the systematic geography name is Alexander von Humboldt. Here the branches of geography based on the regional approach. Four type here: regional studies, regional development, regional analysis, and regional planning. So here regional study here the study about the whole the region and the what characteristics are found in this region are the are studied in the regional studies. Here studies point micro regional studies, meso regional studies, and micro regional studies. And the second point here the regional development. Regional development. Here the origin of the region and the what here the relief found on this region and the development of the all these relief here the totally here the initial stage to the last stage of this region are studied in the study in the regional development. Regional development, clear. And next here third regional analysis. Regional analysis in this part here the here the study of the region, study of the region in the point of view of analysis. Here the analytic study of this region. Okay, analytic study of region are included in the regional analysis. And the last part here the regional planning. Regional planning is the also the part of the branches of the geography. Regional planning are based on the rural planning and the urban planning. Rural planning also and the urban planning also. So here the four branches of the geography. Four branches of the geography based on the regional approach. आपको क्या करना है? Here only learn the name of the branches: regional studies, regional development, regional analysis, and the regional planning. Now here there are two aspects which are common to every discipline. Here there are two aspects which are common to every discipline. All these here aspects are related to the every each discipline. ठीक है, या each subject. Here two aspects here: philosophy and the methods and techniques. Philosophy and the methods and techniques. In all the branches of the geography also use of the philosophy. Here the geographical thought and the human ecology also include in it, and the methods and techniques. New methods and the new technique develop, and all these methods and the technique are used in the geography. Here the cartography based on paper by hand. Now here the cartography include here the computer in the cartography. Next here the statistical field techniques. Next the field survey method also using the geography. And geoinformatics comprise technique like here the GIS and the GPS. GIS, geographical information system, and GPS, global positioning system. All these methods and the techniques are used in geography. So here are two aspects which are used in the every discipline, every subject, every branch of the geography: philosophy and the methods and techniques. Now there are two definitions about the geography. What is geography? In first definition of Richard Hodgson, here the aim of the geography. Geography is concerned with the description and the explanation. Geography is concerned with the description and explanation of the aerial differentiation of the earth surface. So here the main aim is the study of the differentiation of the earth surface. Here the description and the explanation of the एरियल डिफरेंशिएशन, एरियल डिफरेंशिएशन पर्टिकुलर रीजन में जो डिफरेंस पाए जाते हैं ना, all the differentiation of the earth surface in the geography, here the study about the all the differentiation of the earth surface, all the differentiation of the earth surface. So here the include they are concerned the study of the description and the explanation of aerial differentiation. ठीक है, according to Richard Hodgson. Next here the Heitner, the Alfred Heitner, the definition of Alfred Heitner, what is geography according to Heitner. The geography studies the differences of phenomena usually related in different parts of the earth surface. So here also usually related in different parts, usually related in the different parts of the earth surface, different part of the earth surface. Here the differences of phenomena, what was the reasons here the particular in this region found the high population, low population, yeah, what here the found the plateau, plains and the mountain region. What was the region here the found here the forests and the desert, yeah, ice covered region. So what is here the phenomena? So all these are studied in the geography. The geography studies the differences of the phenomena usually related in the different parts. So in the different parts here the found the different phenomena, here the different qualities and different characteristics. So all these are studied in the earth, in the geography. Clear? Next here in the last part, yeah, last point of this lesson here the physical geography and importance. What was the importance of the physical geography? First of all, here the starting here the what is geography? Geography is related to the totally physical geography. Physical geography is geography. All these scholars and all the geographers considered that here the physical geography is geography before the 18th century. After 18th century, like here the after 18th century, like here Redgen here start the study of the human geography, yeah, include the human with geography here the independent subject. Before 18th century, here the physical geography is considered as a geography. All part of the geography are based on the physical geography. From this physical geography, all these physical elements are studied here like here the plane, mountain, atmosphere, climate, seasons. All these are related to the human. All these are studied in the physical geography. This part lesson number 1 start here the about the geography, and the next chapters we start about the what is physical geography, what in the physical geography. Then we complete the physical geography. Then we easily understood about the importance of the physical geography. Now only in the brief, physical geography is usually as a geography in the starting. Then here the physical geography and the human geography have different parts. क्लियर? जब हम क्या करेंगे फिजिकल ज्योग्राफी पढ़ना स्टार्ट करेंगे, जब ये कंप्लीट हो जाएगा ये पार्ट फिजिकल ज्योग्राफी के लेसन्स कंप्लीट होंगे, तब अब ऑटोमेटिक हमें क्या होगा एक्सप्लेनेशन ऑफ द फिजिकल ज्योग्राफी, इंपॉर्टेंस ऑफ द फिजिकल ज्योग्राफी पता लगने लगेगी, है ना. ओनली हियर we can say that physical geography is geography and the physical geography have the great importance for us.